What's going on YouTube? Crypto Kyle here with another video for you guys today. Today we'll be looking at HashFlare and so I'm currently making about $3,000 a year. I've had HashFlare for a month. I started with 3.4 terahashes per second. Now I'm at 5 terahashes from upgrading. In the past week I haven't upgraded anything. If I were to upgrade, let's see. If I were to upgrade, I'd be able to get point so 180 gigahashes. So if we look at the profitability of that, you just have to type in Bitcoin mining profitability on YouTube. I mean, not on YouTube, on Google, and it'll come up with this calculator on Crypto Compare, where you basically can just put in everything. So that's a 180 gigahash per second upgrade, and it would cost about $40. There's a 20% pool fee. 180. So yeah, from about a $40 investment, it'll get you about $84 a year. And even though that doesn't seem like that much, the fact that the price of Bitcoin will be rising this year, or most likely will be rising, I can't say that with certainty, but most people think it's going to continue to rise. You'll be making even more of that per year, and if you keep doing these upgrades, you'll get exponential growth of your mining power. So if you keep upgrading it for a year, you'll have probably like 100 terahashes per second, because it just exponentially increases with each time you upgrade. So yeah, that's why I think it's a good investment, because who knows, in 10 years a Bitcoin might be worth like $1 million, or who knows, like it's endless possibilities. And if you mine it and you are able to obtain even like a fifth of a Bitcoin in 10 years, that'll be a really good investment. So yeah, so invest in HashFlare. If you're investing in other cryptocurrencies, it's a good idea to invest your earnings in HashFlare. I'm actually gonna soon invest about like $150 worth of earnings into HashFlare soon, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep reinvesting because it's passive income. I'm getting about $250 a month from just doing nothing, logging in and collecting my Bitcoin, and I think that's awesome. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe. If you want to sign up for HashFlare, I have a link down below. Thank you guys.